is how do we get actual funding to be able to back up and scale these sort of initiatives which are happening from the community for the community, rather than sort of this top-down approach, which just doesn't serve, it doesn't sort of reach that local level. And so I think it's really important to be able to see sort of that interplay between women, how they're surviving these crises, not just seeing them as vulnerable, but then also, I've heard so much talk about localization and women, but if you're not funding them, then you're just using them.
Claudia, you have seen firsthand how shifting from donor-driven aid to community-led efforts can make a difference. Can you share a story where this approach actually worked and that was in practice?
I think with, like I said, with this, I think we're seeing it every day. So after the 2022 floods in Pakistan, we carried out a research, myself and two other colleagues. We carried out a research, and what was interesting, or what really sort of emerged from sort of that research findings, which is that the report's now being published, is how communities themselves shared the little resources that they had, how they sort of regrouped. No one told them to, no one, showed them practicalities, but they were able to do that. They were also able to mobilize through Facebook to be able to sort of alert other communities that the floods were happening. And so you're seeing, I think the idea that communities are defenseless, no, people survive. People try and survive the best they can. And so there are examples happening every single day. The issue isn't where and how these are happening. The issue is that this isn't being recognized at sort of that top level decision making.
That's correct. There are a lot of inequalities, and I do agree with you. And